Hello guys, welcome to TechnoJob. Here we are with the part 4 of ratios and proportions. So before going in detail about this, I would like to tell about our platform, that is TechnoJob. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships, and also tech news. So till now we have just seen about the in the last video we have seen about the mean proportions. Now let's get started with the third proportions and how to solve that all. So coming here, what is the third proportion of 16 and 36 is? So actually third proportion is A, B, C, right? So 16 and 36 is given and we have to find out the third proportion. So as we all know that I already said you in the first video, that is a is to b is to c is like we can write this by a by b and also equal to b by c, right? So here by with this formula we can find out the third proportion, which is c. So c equal to b into b by a. So it is, what is b here? 36, right? So 36 into 36 by a is 16 by 16. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 9s are 36 and 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. So 9 9s are 81 and the third proportion is 81. So this is how you will solve the third proportion. So in what is the third proportion of 12 and 18? So here we can directly solve. See, no need to do a, b, c and c's. So we already know, right? To do third proportion, we have to do the second one square by a, right? So b square by a. So what is b here? 18 is b. So b into b by a. A is 12. So here 2 6 and 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18 and 3 2s are and 3 6 are 18 and 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 9 3s are 27. What is the third proportion? So this is the third proportion. See, we have another formula. See, we already know that b square equal to ac. So c is the third proportion and b is the mean proportion to find out. So this is how you will do it. And we have another problems. What is the fourth proportion of 4 7 and 20? So a, b, c and d. So we have to find out d, the fourth proportion we have to find out. What are before they have given 4 7 20, right? 4 7 20 and x we have to find out. By this we already know that AD equal to BC, right? So 4x equal to 7 into 20. So x equal to 7 into 20 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 5s are. So 7 5s are 35. What is the fourth proportion? It is 35. So directly we can do here. What is the fourth proportion of 4 7 4 9 and 12? So 4 9 and 12. So 4x equal to 9 into 12. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 9 3s are 27. The fourth proportion is 27. So here is a question for you all. What is the fourth proportion to 2 3 and 5? Please solve this and please give me in the comment section the answer. I'll solve this in the next video. So in the before video we have one question. What is the mean proportion of 25 and 81? We already know, right? B square equal to AC. So this is the mean proportion, right? So A and C they have given 25 and 81. So here you'll get a confusion that this is the big numbers. To get just use your brain. Is that a square? Or is that a number is a square? So 25 we can write it as 5 square. 81 we can write it as a 9 square. When the square root comes, it get cancelled, right? So you'll get this one. So just use it. Don't go blindly by multiplying 25 into 81. This takes a time. But aptitude is the one whom you have to manage the time. So 25 into 81. So 5 square. So 5. 9 square 9. 5 9s are 45. So the mean proportion of 25 and 81 is 45. So once you know about this all, have to use this uh, a, b, c and d, and the third proportion, mean proportion, and fourth proportion, you can easily do it. See, in the mean proportion and third proportion is same, okay? So in the mean proportion you have to find out b, in the third proportion you have to find out c, but whereas the fourth proportion is different, it is ad equal to bc. This is a, if you know this, you can directly do the problem without using any formulas. So if you have missed the videos of ratios and proportions of part 1, part 2 and part 3, the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and watch the videos of ratios and proportions of part 1, part 2 and part 3. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.